My name is Courtney Cable, and I am Creative Director of Curated Storefronts. I've been living in Akron for about 14-ish years, try not to count.
My name is John Aylward. I am a graduate student here at the University of Akron in the Arts Administration program at the School of Dance, Theater, Arts Administration.
Hey, so Curated Storefront is a nonprofit organization. We have been active for going on 5 years now, so 4 years. We started out as a Night Arts Challenge winner in 2016 and started out as a project where we were helping to install artwork in the vacant storefronts downtown Akron and helping to vivify town. And we did over 22 buildings with over 85 artists, and we're still going. And so there's still vacant and underutilized space in town, but we're starting to get into bigger projects like this hotel that we're in right now. Hey, so where we're standing right now is the former City Center Hotel, which I don't know all the history, but I do know this particular floor, which was the 19th floor, used to be the Akron City Club, which operated similarly to a country club, and it is slated to transition from a hotel into market rate apartments once the construction starts. And I've been vying for this space for a while now because it's like Akron's skyline and it's vacant and let's do something with it. And our project is to like light it up with art. And so we actually have one of the biggest installations that we've been able to achieve to date since 2017, even though we started in 16, but we had fundraised for the first year and go in 2017. And so this artwork, we're on the inside of the hotel, but you would view the artwork from the outside because typically people are not welcome to come inside the space, but we're behind the scenes cleaning up right now. Lots of zip ties in the installation process, which has taken over 3 weeks with a large crew, well, a decently sized crew. And the artist is from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. His name is Ian Brill, and he is a light new media artist. And this installation is called Bands. There's many reasons for it, but the most simple reason is because it is a band of light that illuminates the 19th floor of this former hotel. And so it is a programmatic light installation that will always be changing. It will never be the same twice. And I have helped as project manager slash artist organizer, artist handler, slash crew organizer, slash cleanup crew, slash permissions, slash I have the key, slash I have the responsibility. And so I'm helping to make the project happen, and it's really awesome. And so it's fun to be behind the scenes, to see it in all its glory, because there's over 4,000 LEDs that were just shipped here from China, and this is like, I don't know, over $8,000 worth of new plexiglass that we ordered just for this project. And this is one of the largest installations that the artist has done also in his lifetime. You'll be able to see it from a lot of vantage points throughout the city. So there's going to be a lot of people asking about it and wondering.
So basically when I started working as a graduate assistant at the Inlay Davis Gallery for Arts Administration actually, it was for our exhibition Stranger Beings that is owned by Hieronymus, which is owned by the Rogers family, or Rick Rogers I should say, who is also in charge of Curated Storefront. So the collection manager of Hieronymus asked me after we did a Stranger Beings exhibition if I was interested in working for Curated Storefront from time to time, and I was like, of course. So Kat and Courtney Cable, both of them would sometimes contact me for jobs here and there, and it was always great to work with. And then it was in December of 2020 where Courtney contacted me to work with Ian Brill on this massive installation. And I remember this project that he originally did, something similar, a little smaller though, right near Crave on North Main Street. I remember the piece, and I was like, I'm definitely in. So it was great to like be involved with this, working as a helping hand to put this overall project, or helping Ian put this overall project together. And while at the same time I was doing a time-lapse video for this overall, the overall construction of the project. And it's been coming along quite nicely, where I got a good amount of footage shot just tonight of everything illuminated, everything finally up and running after waiting for so long. I guess what inspires me, like, while working on this project or being part of it, was the fact that one, it was just the ability to come to like visit this abandoned hotel like that barely anyone has access to. So it's just like this, I guess, privilege of entering it and just seeing it in such a state, and being able to have like such a fantastic view of Akron in general from like 270-degree field of view, basically. But that, but also like working with such a great artist like Ian, who is extremely passionate about his work, who was really easy to work with just because he knew what he wanted. But it was just the ability of knowing like this big project that's going to be up here for about 2 years, hopefully, that I was actually part of it. Just like, being able to, I guess, just brag to people where whenever anyone asks about it or mentions it, I'm like, oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. I helped put it together. Just knowing that, like, oh, I was like one of the 10 people, I would say, I don't know how many on top of my head specifically, who contributed towards the overall creation of this big, gigantic project that will be illuminating downtown Akron skies for 2 years, hopefully.
We are here in the meantime, or in the temporary. So this is a temporary installation. When working out the contract with the artist, we do have a 2-year contract for this piece because it is so large and it takes so much effort to mount this huge thing. And it really doesn't take a lot of electricity to run it because it's all run by LEDs and a computer. And basically when construction starts, we get the heads up, then we'd have to kind of pull our energies to either move it elsewhere within the next 2 years or conclude the exhibit. And Akron is going through a renaissance in a way. There's a lot of construction happening and a lot of big projects coming down the pike. And there's a lot of opportunity for arts, which is really cool. So I've been happy to be a part of it.